I do this thing, right? So when I'm about to, I go into this Elvis thing, and I turn from Elvis to the
Cowardly Lion.
I literally start going.
He does. He did. Well, he did.
And she, at this moment, like I'm like, I just transitioned from Elvis to the Cowardly Lion,
Yeah.
and I guess she couldn't see the facial expressions or hear
She
the.
was a little busy.
So she comes up,
Oh my god.
right? She comes up like this, and she looks back at me.
Oh, I was still going.
I said. And she was from here. Notice the hand was still going into slow-mo.
I didn't stop.
I'm trying to save her, and then it just went.
Oh no.
It did. And like,